This is 3 weeks and 3 days. Let's see how they do with the live bird here. Go get him, good boy. Oh, you guys are getting after it. All right. There we go. They're starting to understand once they get done drinking there. Get that bird. Get that bird. It's not hurting the bird. There we go. Come on. This is the first day they've seemed to have an interest in the bird. A live one anyway. So we're not far off from, we're not far off. Yeah. Oh, don't pull the feathers. There we go. There we go. Let's see about this guy over here. He's just checking things out. Yeah, you want the bird too? Yeah, that's it. There you go. It's right here. Yep. Yeah, there he goes. Watch and learn. Woo! All right. Now let's see.